Next up is Microsoft Teams. So Microsoft Teams is an interesting one that they came out in the riding the success of Slack as an instant chat. Microsoft realized that they needed to enter the market with an instant chat system. They had a few goes with a couple of different products and didn't go down too well. And so what they've done is they've reinvigorated it around Office 365, putting out this chat system that you can work with your entire team on, and they've integrated Skype. So essentially bringing up two of their worst performing products into one product that performs really well and is really well integrated with your Office 365 credentials. Obviously, it's not a great one for free users. If the recipient is free, that's okay, but the initial person themselves, they do need to have that Office 365 license, which is quite common. So after you get out of the chat and team part of Microsoft Teams, that's where you can get into the video calls. And it's a really neatly integrated system when you are in Office 365. And if you're totally relying on that, it's a great alternative to Slack. I love using Slack, but I'm not an Office 365 user, so that's why Slack suits us, whereas Microsoft Teams is fantastic for those users. So yeah, they came out as a Slack killer, a killer app with Skype integrated. Just a side note, if you want to go on a nerdy internet wormhole down YouTube, look up killer apps with Microsoft and Bill Gates, and you have to get into Bill Gates' deposition trying to explain how Microsoft wasn't a monopoly and they weren't trying to take over the market by launching Internet Explorer, commonly known as the browser wars. If there's any nerds out there, go and have a look at the browser wars. It's fascinating stuff. So Microsoft Teams is included in Office 365. A lot of people already have that subscription, so it comes for free. And yeah, I didn't even bother going into Skype for today's video conference. They had so many flaws and so many problems over the years. I didn't bother addressing them. And what Teams has done is taken the best from Skype, the underlying technology, and they've fixed a lot of the features there. One of the neat parts of Teams is you can instantly and easily blur your background. So if there is things going on in the background, maybe you don't want people to see your monkey photo, you can blur your background and it remains focused on you, which is really, really neat.